Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Then type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:* boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren C:\boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.